Hi, how are you guys? How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing so well and having a really great time, fantastic time as well. So this is Abhishek Yadav here one more time with you all. Okay, so let's now let's know about today's topic. Okay, so today's topic is going to be about the problems, you know, the hurdles that we face when we start learning English. Okay, I mean, there are a lot of problems that we face. I mean, all English learner face when we start learning. At the beginning point, like in the beginning, we don't feel interested. First of all, we don't feel even interested towards learning English. Like, we think at the moment, oh my god, he's a great speaker and she's a great speaker, how can we get there? I can't be like them. Like, this kind of problem, come in our head when we are beginner. But just okay, they're just saying that I have written in my copy is like, always go with the flow, but the flow should be in English. Don't think that how can you be like them, like this, like that. No, no, none of this matter if you are passionate. So in the beginning, we don't feel so comfortable, we don't feel so determined towards learning English. So first of all, get passion, get interest, and how to get that interest. So today's video, in this video, I'm going to tell you all the things, all the aspects. Yep. So and hesitation is also a great thing and great reason for us to not to not speak so well. I also had hesitation, but in this moment right here, I can talk with anyone. I don't care. I mean, I'm speaking wrong, I'm speaking right. I don't care. And you also have to understand this. You are not the center of attraction. No one will notice you, even if you don't. If even if you make mistake. Okay, so always speak like with your heart. No matter how much mistakes are you committing, how much things are you doing. So most of the people think like, oh my god, if I make mistake, then these guys are gonna laugh at me. No, man, no. Like just think, just assume yourself as an audience and other one as a speaker. So will you laugh? Will you laugh at them if you were the audience and other one will be speaker? No, I mean, absolutely not, because other guy who is speaking is not the center of attraction. The same thing here is with you. Okay, so first of all, be passionate. Go, I mean, like if you literally want to speak English, and if you want to learn English truly with wholeheartedly, so what you need to do is, first of all, you have to go crazy. Literally, you have to go crazy. You have, like do everything, whatever you are doing does not matter, doesn't make any difference. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are eating, as I said, go with the flow, but the flow should be in English. So whatever you do, just do in English. You talk to your friends, talk in English. You do something, any kind of action which is being performed in your surrounding, just try to translate that. Just try to translate that. Then slowly, gradually, you will start feeling comfort. Yeah, I mean, like you will start feeling comfortable and, yeah, interested as well. So do first thing, that I just told you. Like whatever you see, whatever you the action uh, you see, being performed. So try to translate that. Are you able to do that? If not, then you have phone, you have mobile phone, go and translate that, google it. You will find the accurate sentence. Okay. uh, yeah, as I say, like wait a sec. Okay, so what I said, yeah, sorry, I had some work, so I had to go. Now we can continue. So the next thing is like, always try to speak Hindi, because here in India, most of the people learn English from Hindi language, right? This is kind of a process that we learn by, like, translation process, right? This is translation process. So always try to speak in Hindi, even you are at your home, at your school, no matter where are you, but you can try at least speaking in Hindi, right? And what happens? You speak Hindi. We all know. I'm from. We are from like a village where Hindi is not so prevalent. Okay, we speak Mathli here. So what happens? We speak Hindi, and what happens when we do not speak, Mathli so oftenly? What happens there? There is a process in the head. Even if you are not speaking English, no, okay, you're not speaking English because you don't know. Then what happens if you want to learn English and you speak Hindi continuously? Then there's a process in the head keep going on, like जब जैसे कि आप अंग्रेजी बोल ही रहे हैं, मान लो कि आप अंग्रेजी बोल ही रहे हैं, आई कैन से दिस इन इंग्लिश बट यू गाइज माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दिस, सो लेट मी टेल दिस इन हिंदी, ओके? सो जैसे कि आप हिंदी बोलते हो, ठीक है, हिंदी बोलते हो, उससे क्या होता है कि हम हिंदी से इंग्लिश सीख रहे होते हैं, तो हम जब बोलते भी हैं हिंदी तो यहाँ पे दिमाग में क्या चीज़ होता रहता है कि हम इंग्लिश के बारे में सोच रहता है कि हाँ इस लाइन का सेंटेंस ये इंग्लिश में हो सकता है कि नहीं? ऐसे सोचते हैं. दिस इज़ माई पर्सपेक्टिव, ओके, दिस इज़ माई पर्सपेक्टिव, व्हाट आई फील. जैसे कि अगर हम मैथिली बोले तो मैथिली से फिर हिंदी, हिंदी से फिर अंग्रेजी, इट बिकम्स सो क्रिटिकल, राइट? तो क्या करना है कि अधिकतर हमको हिंदी बोलना है. हिंदी बोलने से क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे एक प्रोसेस चलेगा. अगर आप नहीं भी बोल रहे हैं इंग्लिश, आप हिंदी ही बोल रहे हैं कंटिन्यूसली, तो आपका दिमाग सोच रहा है कि हाँ इस लाइन का इंग्लिश में ये हो सकता है. भले ही आप ना बोले, पर यहाँ पे एक आपकी एक सोच डेवलप हो जाती है कि अगर मान लीजिए कि मैंने ये हिंदी में कहा जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे मैं सोच भी रहा हूँ एक साइड से कि हाँ इसका हिंदी ये हो सकता है कि नहीं? ये चीज़ और इसी के लिए ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक एटलीस्ट इन हिंदी, ओके? आई एम नॉट, disagreeing my mother tongue. This is our, this is like here, okay? So always try to speak Hindi and get that passion. Until you don't get passion, you can't do anything. Just go mad for this. That is the only thing that I would say. Go mad. Yeah, whatever subject you study in your school, in your college, you can study in English. You can. Most of the people say like no, they just learn rote learning, like रटने वाला ज्ञान भाई रट लो हो गया. No, you have to understand the meaning of the line, whatever you study, you have to know. And you also have to use that all things in real life, in day-to-day life, right? So start doing this. First of all, वो पैसन लाओ, वो जुनून लाओ कि इंग्लिश सीखना है, लाइक मेरी तरह. हाँ मेरी तरह, मतलब कि मैं ना इतना डूब सा गया, डूब ही जाओ, जो करो इंग्लिश में कुछ करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अरे दोस्त से बात करो, अंग्रेजी में करो, टूटी फूटी कोशिश तो करो. इवन आई एम हेयर स्पीकिंग very broken English, broken English, and many times I commit mistakes, a lot of mistakes that I commit, okay? You guys might be noticing my mistakes, so mistakes are common. Just dare to commit mistake, bro. You will learn, okay? So bye bye. Video is going to be so long. I know when I make a long video then people don't watch it, okay? So bye bye, let's move to the next video. And lastly I would like to tell you that मैं कुछ सेशन स्टार्ट करूँगा कुछ दिनों के बाद, जैसे कि टेंस का अगर आपको चाहिए तो, मतलब कि अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो आप सीख सकते हैं उससे मैं बनाऊँगा. तो ये मेरा एक तरह से मतलब है ना कि सेकेंडरी जॉब हो गया ये मेरा, है ना? चलिए तो मिलते हैं. बाय बाय, गुड बाय, हैव अ गुड टाइम, हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम.